Le jour de la première leçon, pendant que les débutants se mesurent à leur propre appréhension, les maîtres nageurs adaptent déjà leurs consignes à ce que chaque enfant montre de lui-même.
The emotional state of your students is very important when it comes to learning. If they're not fully there, they're focusing on other things, I try to have a conversation with them and try and see hey, how can I help? Trying to get them the support they need.
Aux États-Unis, plus de 40 millions de personnes vivent sous le seuil de pauvreté, soit un Américain sur 10. Une proportion plus grande encore à San Francisco, ville chère, où des familles entières soutenues par le YMCA vivent avec l'équivalent de 2 000 € par mois, mais sans que cela n'entame l'assiduité des enfants.
If you meet 3 times a week and you have to do drills and swim 90 minutes or 2 hours, whatever it is, that builds in a certain work ethic in your mind, right? And you can take that kind of mentality into your schoolwork. You can take that kind of mentality into a job. You can take that mentality into any problems that you might encounter in your life, right? Because you build that good habit by swimming. The families that we serve, the kids, they don't have a whole lot, right? And they really learn to take care of themselves, right? If something bad happens, right, they pick themselves up, right? And when I see them, whether it's in our swim team or kids in our after program, right, they're very resilient, and they build that up just through the day-to-day things that they do.
De l'Afrique du Sud à l'Inde, du Brésil au Japon, la Fondation Princesse Charlène et sa branche américaine sont actives dans une 50aine de pays, jusqu'aux États-Unis donc, où Thomas Horn, consul de Monaco à San Francisco, avait approché la direction du YMCA en 2019.
It has allowed us to expand our reach, right? Because at the end of the day, to run programs, it's going to cost money, right? And so through Tom's support, through the foundation support, we've been able to really expand our reach, right? Make it available to more families, more youth to come in because we don't charge for it.
Une gratuité qui s'inscrit dans un élan national vers une meilleure prise de conscience des risques. L'année dernière, sous la pression politique, l'État de Californie finissait par imposer des cours de prévention de la noyade dans toutes les écoles publiques.
We do work with the city to make sure that our pools, not just this one, but the YMCA in San Francisco, we have 5 pools in the city, that they are accessible to the community for swim lessons, right? So we work with the city to make sure then is it more inner city youth or is it low income families that we can bring in.
Car au-delà même de la natation, la moitié des jeunes Californiens de 6 à 17 ans ne participent à aucune forme d'activité extrascolaire, quels que soient les revenus de leur foyer. Les programmes de ce centre sont ainsi là pour favoriser leur inclusion sociale.
They build a lot of self-confidence, a lot of social skills as well, not only with their family or friends, also with adults, teachers, basically all the people around them, just to know that they can trust people and just getting to know how to be a kid.
Dans les années 1910, l'Amérique votait des lois d'exclusion contre les populations venues d'Asie qui se réfugiaient alors dans ce YMCA de San Francisco, dont les portes sont un siècle plus tard toujours grandes ouvertes.